This is a typical Persian barbecue. This at home quite often, especially when my husband's in town, but even when he's not, because we like it so much. Putting 3 cups of basmati rice. Figure out how it's going to go best and go right down the center of the piece and push it onto the skewer. What I mean by go ahead and grate your onion. So you're just going to keep working it.
You stick it right onto the thing and cut into it sort of a little bit. And then once it reaches the other side of the skewer, you start to pack it in.
The salad Shirazi, the Zeresh polo, which is the rice with the barberries, the masto kiyar, the yogurt salad, and then our variety of chicken and ground beef and vegetables kebabs, along with the douk to drink if you like. So that's our dinner tonight. As the Persians would say, bafara means come and eat with us. Thanks very much.